What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. We're back to Fox Body stuff. Alright, so in today's video, we gotta make a trip to the junkyard. It's like an hour away, maybe a little bit more, but we gotta make the drive. We gotta get all those vapor valves, the filler neck, the tank straps. We got some stuff to do, and I think we're gonna get some contour fans just cause we can. So we're gonna head on over there, and hopefully it's not too windy. It was nice and calm early this morning, but now it's getting a little breezy. So hopefully it's not breezy on the other side of the desert. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna get right into it. Let's head out. Let's get over to Victorville. So we're making headway. We're getting close. We're just chipping away at it. We're another 45 minutes out, but it's looking really nice on this side of the desert. Like, the farther I get away from home, the nicer it gets. I don't know what's up with that. It's not nearly as windy on this side. So we're about to be passing Wrightwood, California, or the turnoff to it anyway. But it is beautiful out here today. I mean, just take a look. Look at that sky. That's just awesome. So when we're a little bit closer, I will let you know when we're there. And you best believe I'm gonna let you know when we're there. So we got another 45 minutes. I will see you when I see you. Well, I had to take a break, get some energy. These things are gonna kill me, but we're close. I had to get some gas too. And it's way colder outside than it was in my side of the desert, so good thing I brought a sweatshirt. And there it is, my junkyard. Actually, how am I gonna do this? Cash for glass, bro. All right, we made it. Whew. For some reason, they stuffed all the American cars in the back, so we gotta go on like an hour-long journey just to get there, but it's not too bad. Ah, it's so much nicer. I went to Sun Valley, and so we're in Victorville right now. I went to the Sun Valley Auto Parts. Oh, our pick apart was rough. So it smelled like crap. There was homeless people everywhere. It was tough. I just want my junk cars. That's all I want. Just junk cars. Hopefully it doesn't get too windy. That would kind of suck, but check it out. I'm gonna show you what we got to work with. So we made it to the American car section back here. So I'm gonna put the camera down, take a look, see if I can find the cars we're looking for, because we're looking for a 2000 to 2004 Mustang, a Ford Contour for fans, and then we're looking for, that's it. That's all we're looking for. So I'll be back in a second and tell you if we found it or not.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So we found a couple of Mustangs, but this is gonna be, I think, the best Mustang to get the stuff from. So I'll give you a little tour of it. I found the two Contours, and the fans were actually, the fan was broken in half on one of them. The other one was a 4-cylinder, so he only can do so much. But here, check out. I'll show you the filler neck we're gonna grab, and then hopefully we can get to the tank, because they set it up here where they actually jack the car up on the gas tank, which is weird to me. But there's our filler neck we're gonna grab, and then this is the car. 2001 Mustang. But see how it's jacked up on the gas tank? That's gonna be interesting to see if we can dangle our way around that. So we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna put some work in and see if we can get this thing done. So we switched to this beautiful red Mustang, what we've done, because, like I said, the problem earlier, everything's jacked up under the gas tank. Well, everything's jacked up under the gas tank, and you can't get to the gas tank, and that's where my vapor valves are. It's freaking me out. So, found a jack. I found some of the tire stands or wheel stands they got. I jacked up the car, and we finally got one that fits. So we put a jack under there, did the same thing on the other side, and took this one out so we could have room to get into the gas tank area. That took so long. Why did they do it like that? There's no reason to do it like that. Oh, all right, let's start working on this thing.
You got a problem with the what?
Well, we couldn't get that vapor valve out, so we're gonna have to buy a vapor valve, which sucks. Well, we got a filler neck and we got the one vapor valve, but we still need the second one. So we'll go to AutoZone and order it. I didn't want to, but that thing I couldn't get it out. I just couldn't do it. I broke it and it was horrible. So we're gonna take a walk around, see if we can find any 2.5 liter Duratec cars that have the contour fans, or twin fans. See if we can do that. So we're gonna take a walk real quick, see what we can find. Woo! My goodness! So we couldn't find anything and I was running out of time, so I decided the best course of action is go. So we're in Victorville right now, and Hesperia has another pick apart, and they have some of the stuff we need, like the Mercury contour fans, or the contour, I don't know. I'm tired. I needed water. I'm dying out there. But we did score the filler neck and the one vapor valve, the small vapor valve. So we're doing good so far. We're going to go over to that one, see if the cars aren't set up stupid like they were here with the... Why were they all jacked up on the gas tank? That's the one part of the car I needed to get to. And it was jacked up on the gas tank. Oh, it was a nightmare jacking cars up, jacking them down, blah, blah, blah. So, we're going to go to Hesperia. So, we're going to get going because they're going to close in like 2 hours. All right, we made it. It didn't take any time at all. 10 minutes at the most. So, let's get in there. And we're back into the car graveyard. This place is nice though. At least they got Ford written all over everywhere, so I know where to go. I mean, that makes my life way easier. So, I'm gonna head over there, run into it. I gotta get something for my, for the Dodge truck too. So, we'll be looking at that. Ooh, rest in peace, this old Fox body. It's so sad. It's old. I don't know what year. I don't know anything pre 86, but man, I could have got my window or my mirrors off of this thing. That's a shame. Pretty sad. All right, let's continue the search. I don't even know what to say about this. So I'm walking along. I see the Cougar and I see the engine in front of it. And I'm like, oh, god dang it! Someone destroyed it already. And I was like, there's no way the fans are gonna be on here. Are on here. Check this out. There's a Cougar, and then there's that 2.5 liter Duratec, and there's my fans. So we're gonna pull those fans off real quick. Oh, what a great day! That was so easy. On further inspection, it had to be too good to be true. The fans are like destroyed. I got way too excited, way too fast, but those aren't going to work. All the brackets are broken off. There's stuff falling off. I got way too excited, way too fast. So let's continue the search. So we lost on that one. We didn't find anything in there, and everything is jacked up on the gas tank. So we couldn't even try to get that purge canister, whatever it's called. So that sucked. And then I found the other Mercury whatever Cougar, and I found the fan for it, and it was just destroyed. Like, they took it out, stepped on it, stomped on it a couple times, and then threw it back. So we're gonna head home, and I'll show you what I got. I got a couple of things, but not too much, but enough to get me started on this fuel system. And we'll have to buy a couple grommets, and we'll have to buy the other thing. But that contour fan is elusive, man. Those are hard to find. I didn't realize. I thought it'd be one try and go get it. So we'll try it again, and we'll really find that contour fan next time. We'll go wherever we need to go to get it. But we're gonna go head home and get some food in me, and I'll tell you what we got. I'll see you then. We have finally made it back home. I'm wrecked. We didn't get all that much stuff, but it still saved me quite a bit of money. I mean, the filler neck and that PC, or the vapor valve is like, it's like $50 for the vapor valve and like $100 for the filler tube. So I got it for $20. Well, $130 saved. I mean, I'm all about saving that money. So let me show you the haul. All right, so we got the correct filler neck, $19.99 filler neck. Then we got the vapor valve we needed. We weren't able to get the other purge one, which isn't as important as this one. This one was really important because this has the rollover part of it, so we needed this. Then I got these guys for my harness because a couple of them on mine, the little tongs on the side, busted off. So we got some new ones, and we'll replace them and fix that up just so we have a nice new harness to work with. But that is it. We got it done. Now we can start assembling the gas tank. So we're gonna start that tomorrow. But that is the end of this video. I am tired. I am wrecked. It was a lot. I had to do a lot for this video for not all. I mean, I saved quite a bit of money, even though I only got a couple things. I wish I could have got that purge canister, but I couldn't get it out of the tank, and oh, made me crazy. The first one just snapped right off, and then the second one wouldn't come out. I spent like 30 minutes on it, wouldn't come out, so I'm just gonna buy one. I don't think they're too expensive, so there was my TED Talk. But that's the end of the video. If you liked it, please comment, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we're getting close to being done, but I'll catch you guys on the next video.